This is our intelligent CNC dual-axis chanfering machine. The dual station simultaneously detects and compensates for flatness before chanfering. Due to the large overall deformation of our customer's products, original chanfering machine cannot meet the requirement of controlling the chanfering depth of the hole diameter within 0.05 mm. Therefore, the customer begged us to customize this intelligent, efficient dual-axis chanfering machine. The machine uses two spindles. Spindle A accurately detects the original hole diameter and the product part, and feeds back the detected data to CNC system for program compensation. Spindle B conducts chanfering processing according to process program after detection and compensation. After one-to-one detection and then chanfering, it can ensure that the hole diameter and the chanfering depths are consistent. Of efficiency, we use two sets of CNC systems to control two sets of detection and chanfering spindles respectively, and the process for products at the same time, which greatly improves production efficiency and reduces production costs. The lubrication system of machine each axis lubricates regularly and continually, and can adjust the oil supply cycle and oil supply value of each lubrication point. It avoids manual oiling and achieves maintenance-free operation. The select-kit machining CNC system supports multiple programming methods and also supports direct import of CNC drawing, automatically generate processing programs. The factory no longer need to hire a professional programmers, and the system can store tens of thousands of programs. Until the machine leaves the factory, it's tested for accuracy and compensation by a USA API laser interferometer, so that to control the full machine accuracy within 0.02 mm.